Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 10th. I welcome you in my lecture number 12 of unit number 1. As you know, we are doing book exercises, and book exercises are today related to noun phrase. And open your books on page number 9 and see your question D. Identify noun phrases in the following sentences. Dear students, in my last lecture, I told you when I'll give you complete comprehensive teaching on noun phrases, then I will come towards these exercises. So now, after a comprehensive teaching on noun phrases, I'm coming here. So open your books, all of you, on page number 9. Dear students, these are 5 sentences, and the question is identify, like you have to identify noun phrases in these sentences. Okay, I have written these things for you people, so that you can see it clearly here. He wished to talk to his manager. Now in this sentence you have to take out noun phrase. You have to identify noun phrase. Okay, first of all, you will find what is noun. Here it is a noun, manager. Before that you can see a modifier, that is possessive adjective. So his manager, that is a noun phrase in this sentence. Okay, one more thing is there, to talk. What is to talk? Talk is a verb, to is a preposition. To talk, it becomes an infinitive. To talk, it is an infinitive. An infinitive, this is a group of words, so this is infinitive phrase, and that infinitive phrase is also functioning as noun phrase in this sentence. He wished, what did he wish? He wished to talk. To talk is a noun phrase because this is the reply of what? So this is infinitive phrase but functioning as a noun phrase in this sentence, and this is noun plus possessive adjective. This is also a noun phrase. Okay, see your second sentence. The wicked man loves getting poor people into trouble. The wicked man. The is a determiner. Wicked, that's a modifier. Man, that is a noun. So this part is a noun phrase. The wicked man, one like this is modifier, this is determiner, that is noun. So these words are making a group, and that group is called noun phrase. Okay, dear students, in this sentence you can also see one more noun phrase, and that is gerund noun phrase. See, the wicked man loves. Now the question will be, what did the wicked man love? What? So the reply of that what will be? Getting poor people into trouble. So this whole part is gerund phrase. Okay, and inside that phrase you can also see one simple noun phrase, and that is people is a noun, and that is a modifier. Poor is a modifier, people is a noun, so that is a noun phrase. That is a noun phrase. And if you see from this point, this whole part, getting poor people into trouble, that is called a gerund phrase. Clear? Now see your third example of the exercise. The poor man wanted to pay back every penny he owed. Here the is determiner, poor is adjective, and man is a noun. So these three things, these three words are making a group, and which group? They are making a group of a noun phrase. This is a noun phrase. Here, dear students, I told you getting poor people into trouble, that is gerund phrase, and this gerund phrase is functioning as a noun phrase in this sentence. Okay, because this is the reply of what? Okay, noun phrase is always the reply. Okay, the poor man wanted to pay back every penny he owed. So the poor man, this is noun phrase. Now there is one more phrase, pay and to. Pay is a verb, to is infinitive, that is infinitive phrase. So this is functioning as a noun phrase in this sentence. Okay, penny is a noun, and every is quantifier. So every penny, it is also a noun phrase. Quantifier plus noun, noun phrase. And this whole part, to pay back every penny, that whole part is an infinitive phrase, and that infinitive phrase is functioning as noun phrase in this sentence. Okay, dear students, the next part is all the kids were sleeping. All, quantifier, the, article determiner, and kids, this is a noun. So all the kids, this is noun phrase in this sentence. All the kids were sleeping. All the kids, this is noun phrase in this sentence. Okay. Horses prefer living in dark stables. Horses. I told you sometimes a single noun performs the function as a noun phrase. So horses here, that is a noun, and like no modifiers are there, no, neither you can see pre-modifier nor post modifiers, like na hi to kuch se pehle hai na baad mein hai. So that's why horses without modifiers, pre and post modifiers, that is alone this word is performing the function as noun phrase. This is a noun and this is functioning as noun phrase in this sentence. Okay, you can see one more noun phrase here, which is gerund phrase. Horses prefer. Now the question, what do horses prefer? So reply of my what will be living in dark stable. So living in dark stable is a noun phrase, which is basically a gerund phrase and functioning as a noun phrase in this sentence. Okay, dear students, all this was about your noun phrase and exercises of noun phrases. I told you the rules. We did that exercise, and inshallah in my next lecture I will take you towards noun clause and then that exercise. Thank you very much. Allah bless you.